Well, good day everybody. Today we are testing out a solar generator kit from ALLPOWERS, the R1500 LITE plus SP033 solar panel. It is an all-in-one kit with the solar panel and solar generator. Quick AC recharge. You get a full charge in just 90 minutes. 1600 watt high power output. 650 watt ultra fast solar charging in just 2 to 2.5 hours. Operates silently at just 35 decibels. Got lots of outputs for all your DC appliances, your USB-C, USB-A, your cigar plug. Ideal for motorhomes, caravans, balconies, garages, and workshops. Got 4 AC outputs. Comes with a nice thick manual. AC power cord for charging off the wall. Your connections on the side here. AC charge. Got your breaker for overload protection. Solar and car input. 12 volt to 95 volt charging at 13 amps max. Got a very handy solar panel set up here. Easy to carry around. It's got built-in legs for standing it up. Big pocket for holding all your accessory cables. Adapter cables. It also has the connections in there for connecting up to the solar panel. Some clips on the back. Which opens up. Your solar panel. Sitting at 77%. Let's go ahead and throw these in this handy pocket. There's your charging cable for that. Really neat kit. I do like these setups. Which way's up? Legs fold that way. Come on, like this. Alright, I could set that up right on the back of my RV here. Corner's a little shaded, but that should be alright for testing purposes. Got these handy flip out legs. Connections are inside the pocket. Do that. Zip it up to keep dust and debris out. All right, solar generator charging off of solar power. Very cool setup, very handy, very portable. Be sure to get yours while supplies last. Links below.